Hey everyone, it's Andrew. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a video doing an unboxing and first time brush with the Trueocity Extra-Soft Toothbrushes. These are a set of toothbrushes that you can get on Amazon for about $13 for a pack of 4 brushes. So what we'll do in this video is we'll unbox these, go over the general features, and then I'll walk through brushing with these for the first time. Okay, so for those of you new to my channel, you might be wondering why I'm reviewing toothbrushes, but if you look back about 2.5 years ago, I started doing Invisalign, and I wore Invisalign on my upper and lower teeth for about 2 years. I'm currently at the point where I just use a retainer on the upper teeth during the day and then wear a separate retainer at night. But throughout that entire process, whenever you take out the aligners, you're supposed to brush your teeth prior to putting them back in. And so what I found was it was really kind of difficult to always have a toothbrush on hand. Additionally, with brushing so frequently, I was starting to get some gum irritation. And so I actually reached out to Trueocity to review these toothbrushes because they're really focused on being extra soft bristles that prevent or limit the kind of irritation to your gums. And so we'll just look at this packaging real quick. So it's going to be a pack of 4 for $12.95 currently on Amazon. They're going to be extra soft or ultra fine micro bristles. In the case is going to be a white, pink, gray, and teal brush, all different colors, and there's going to be separate carrying cases that go on the side, or clear carrying cases on the side here. It's going to be BPA free, phthalates free as far as being not having chemicals. And then on the back here it lists some main features. So that it says it's a wave contour design to reach between the teeth and under the gum line. It's extra soft bristles to prevent gum recession. There's 28,000 micro bristles. It's finely tapered to reach into hard areas, and that it's an easy grip handle as far as that. And so what we'll do now is we'll just open this up and show it closer up. So yeah, we totally mutilated the packaging, but okay. So here are the 4 toothbrushes. There's also 4 separate carrying cases that come in here. We'll look at the toothbrushes real quick. So here's the design. So it's basically a very light plastic, some ridges on the handle here that you can hold with your thumb, and it's just like a kind of like tapered, clean design as far as a toothbrush. Nothing too complicated. Doesn't have any like silicone handles or anything that can get gross and ugly. The bristles themselves are right here, and so it's a very soft bristle. Like you look at that, there's a ton of micro bristles here, and it's very, very fine, like ultra fine, where it's like pretty much the whole toothbrush is very similar to like your traditional toothbrush, but rather than having individual like plastic bristles, there's like these very ultra fine bristles the entire kind of thing of it. So it's really cool that that's designed. Definitely soft, definitely not like your traditional plastic where it'll irritate the gums. There's nothing overly complex beyond that. So that's what the teal one looks like. This is the gray color. This is the pink color, okay? And then this is the white one. So that all of them are very similar in design. And then this is the carrying case that it comes in. It's gonna have some holes on the side that allow water to kind of escape and allow them to dry in between. The toothbrush I thought would fit directly in it, but basically I just broke this. So let me see if this actually fixes. No, so the carrying case broke with the first use. Let me see if I can do it with another one. Maybe I just caught it on a bad angle, but it does snap into place. It's not the best of carrying cases, but that's what it looks like. So this one is already broken, so yeah, I don't know about the quality control on that. And then here, we'll just try another one just to see if this is an ongoing issue. It doesn't really snap into place all the way, so the carrying cases are limited, so you might have to look out to a different company or different carrying case to kind of fit these into place. But that's that. But there is basically what I'm seeing here is this connection here is very small, like very thin and cheap, so this already is broken. So 2 out of the 4 are already broken after just trying to do it in this video. So keep that with a grain, take that with a grain of salt as far as kind of the review of this. But that's the toothbrushes, the carrying cases. What I'm going to do now is go over to my bathroom or kind of set up the camera, and I'll brush my teeth with this and give you a general first impression of how well it works. Okay, so any toothbrush review video, you have to brush your teeth in the bathroom. And so what we'll do is we'll use the white toothbrush. I'm going to wet it and then throw on some toothpaste, and then what we'll do is we'll get to brushing and I'll give you some feedback. Okay, so I just flew through brushing my teeth. I'll tell you overall, this is definitely very soft, very fine as far as the bristles. You can tell on this, like they're basically just like fine bristles where you don't have to worry about irritation with this. They are kind of so soft that I almost worry about whether they're effective or not. So it's something that you would have to use over time and see how effective they are as far as cleaning your teeth. My teeth in general feel very well polished as far as cleaning them. Like I don't feel any like debris or anything like that. And they actually it feels like it polished your teeth as far as cleaning it. It's like a fresh, clean, like overall experience. So I think it works really well because they're so ultra fine and there's so many bristles that it's getting between the teeth, it's getting on the teeth and kind of going through. Additionally, because it's not that hard plastic like a traditional toothbrush, like if you look at it side by side, it's not huge bristles or anything like that. You're gonna have much less irritability to your gum line and your teeth from brushing routinely. And that's really good for those of you that have gum irritation or gum recession from kind of pressing too hard. I actually used to use manual toothbrush manual toothbrushes like this for a while, but I actually switched over to a mechanical or an electric toothbrush with a pressure sensor because I was finding that my gum line was receding from pressing too hard. And kind of since then, I haven't had issues. But this is gonna be the Trueocity ultra fine, soft, extra soft toothbrush bristles. These are gonna be $12.95 on Amazon. I think for the price, it's definitely worth it. For those of you that are looking for ultra fine, ultra soft toothbrushes. The caveat is the carrying case that came with it, two out of the 4 broke just from me opening and closing it. So it isn't really good as far as the quality of that, but the overall toothbrush design and the feel and everything as far as the experience was definitely worthwhile. So try it out. If you have questions, comments, post them below. My plan is I'll switch over to using these as my go-to toothbrush throughout the day whenever I take out my aligner or my retainer, and I'll give feedback overall if I notice any issues. So thanks for watching and have a great day.